A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. It's a full house here and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. Oh, he's lost that one. That's huge. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Gone high on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Oh, he's thrown it wide. Oh, that's very close. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Found the gap beautifully and that races away to the boundary again. amazing shot. Beautiful timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Glorious. Absolutely glorious. Last ball coming up. That's in the air. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it.
J. Fragrances and Cosmetics Spring Gala sale is live now. Get an amazing
The field inside looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's for more. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Oh, he's thrown it wide. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Well, he has to bowl that one again. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Leg by, says umpire. Runs at it to the team's total. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Missing his line there, wide signaled. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Well, he has to bowl that one again. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Very good running between the wickets. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Squeeze a single there, good running. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Last ball coming up. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.